Tesla ownership goes beyond just driving an electric car. This video explores the often overlooked benefits that make the Tesla experience unique. We'll dive into hidden perks, the power of software updates, and the advantages of low maintenance, revealing why Tesla owners are so enthusiastic about their vehicles. As of December 2024, Tesla continues to roll out over-the-air OTA software updates enhancing vehicle capabilities. One of Tesla's biggest advantages is access to its supercharger network. This exclusive fast-charging infrastructure allows Tesla owners to charge quickly and conveniently during long trips. Most Tesla owners receive a lifetime credit for supercharging, meaning they can charge at these high-speed stations for free. This perk eliminates the hassle of finding and paying for public charging. Beyond charging, Tesla vehicles come equipped with autopilot and full self-driving systems. These provide semi-autonomous driving capabilities that enhance both safety and convenience on the road. Full self-driving unlocks advanced features like one-pedal driving, where you can accelerate and brake using just the accelerator pedal. It also includes predictive braking that automatically slows the vehicle to maintain safe distances. Tesla's supercharger network has expanded to over 50,000 locations globally, making long-distance travel more practical than ever for electric vehicle owners. Tesla's over-the-air software update system delivers new features and improvements directly to your car. These updates can range from new games and enhanced climate control to vehicle-to-load V2L capabilities, allowing you to power your home during outages. This software-as-a-service model means your Tesla gets better over time without requiring hardware upgrades or dealership visits. Tesla's FSD software, now at version 12.x, released in late 2024, includes improved handling of complex urban environments and reduced interventions. Tesla vehicles require significantly less maintenance than traditional gasoline cars. Electric vehicles have fewer moving parts, eliminating the need for oil changes, spark plug replacements, and transmission services that are common in internal combustion engines. Tesla's battery comes with a comprehensive warranty covering 8 years or 150,000 miles, providing peace of mind for owners. Regenerative braking is another key maintenance advantage. This system converts kinetic energy back into battery power during deceleration, significantly reducing wear on traditional brakes. These design advantages translate to real savings. According to a 2024 Consumer Reports study, Tesla owners save an average of $1,500 annually on maintenance costs compared to owners of gasoline vehicles. Let's examine a real-world case study from 2023 Tesla owner forums. A Model 3 owner received a full self-driving update that enabled advanced city street handling capabilities. Before the update, this owner faced frequent interventions during city driving, leading to longer and more stressful commutes through urban areas. The FSD update transformed the vehicle's capabilities, adding sophisticated city street handling without any additional cost to the owner. After the update, the Model 3 navigated city streets more smoothly, requiring fewer driver interventions and making commutes more efficient. The results were impressive: a 15% reduction in commute time and a 50% reduction in driver interventions. This demonstrates how Tesla vehicles continuously learn new skills through over-the-air updates. This case study exemplifies Tesla's hidden perks, where software updates deliver ongoing value and improve driving experiences at no extra cost. According to a 2024 Edmunds analysis, a Tesla Model Y owner in California avoided $8,000 in maintenance over 5 years compared to a Toyota Camry. This was achieved due to the absence of oil changes and the reduced brake replacements thanks to regenerative braking systems. Here's what the extensive maintenance schedule looks like for a Toyota Camry versus Tesla's minimal needs. This is a great example of how EV fundamentals save cost. Experts praise Tesla's ecosystem for its value. Analyst Tony Sacconaghi noted in 2024 that software updates add invisible equity, with FSD subscribers seeing 20 to 30% higher resale values. J.D. Power's 2024 EV study found Tesla owners reporting 85% satisfaction with maintenance ease. Tesla's Q4 2024 earnings reveal 1.8 million FSD-enabled vehicles, updated bi-weekly for enhanced safety. Looking ahead, expect even more software driven enhancements, potentially including a robotaxi future where vehicles earn income autonomously. Trends include expanded V2X communication for smarter charging and traffic coordination. Analysts predict Tesla's software updates will evolve to include AI driven personalization. These ongoing improvements solidify the long term value of Tesla ownership.